The rationalization of health professionals' assessment bodies under the Ministry of Education and Sports was actualized through the enactment of the TVET Act 2025, which established the Uganda Health Professionals Assessment Board. The new board merges the functions of the Uganda Nurses and Midwives Examinations Board and the Uganda Allied Health Examinations Board.
We now have one administration for all the health professionals around this level. So now there's one board that we are talking about for health professions instead of having two that we have been having.
We want to protect the public. We want people who are genuinely trained and assessed to be the one that access our.
The ministry has now embarked on sensitizing health professionals about the implications and application of the TVET Act 2025.
In the Act, there are so many regulations, and those will be explained this afternoon. There are many things that we have to learn, but most of them will be detailed in the regulations that will be prepared.
The board is preparing for the June 2025 national assessment, the first to be conducted under the new framework. The Act also provides for the establishment of a TVET Council to oversee the technical implementation and coordination of the sector.
PAB will take over effectively from the examinations of June, the forthcoming examinations. So anything previously will be Uganda Allied Health Examination Board, which we want to make sure we clear so that we don't roll these things into the...
We're going into the question, the questions, they will go into examination process, but for us, those ones, if they go to the allied school, we'll have to supervise. Are the things going on properly? Is there any leakage? Something like that. And they have guidelines which they are going to follow.
The ministry has also warned practitioners against forging entries in training logbooks, citing the risks posed to the entire health sector.
Regulations. We are going to have regulations that will detail how those logbooks should be filled, by who, when, and how they will be worked on. And that will be done by the council. So this law will now streamline, and I talked about the penalties. If you don't do what is supposed to be done, and we know that you have forged entry into those logbooks, you will be penalized for it, and the law has put it very clearly what will be done. So it's a deterrent. We are hoping that when this is implemented, we will not have those occurrences anymore.
The Technical, Vocational Education and Training Act 2025 is anchored on three key pillars: training, assessment, and regulation, and is designed to eliminate fragmentation in the health education system. Story by Abdul Nasir Luwama for UBC.